Yes, good morning, students. In the last class, we have studied about the introduction of quadratic equation. Now, the quadratic polynomial, I said quadratic polynomial, when quadratic polynomial is equated by 0, then it becomes a quadratic equation. So, today's class is then I have explained in this quadratic equation in the first lecture, that is, quadratic equation can be solved by three methods. First method, that is factorization method. Second, by quadratic formula, and third is completing the square method. This method is not in the syllabus, but we can have the concept of this chapter. Now completing the square method, if I say solve x square minus 5x plus 6 equal to 0 by completing the square method. Now this method is not coming this time, this is deleted, but I am explaining this. So x solution x square minus 5x plus 6 equal to 0. Here coefficient of x square is 1. If it is not 1, then make it 1 by dividing each term. This is very important thing to have to remember. The coefficient of x square. The coefficient of x square should be 1 always. If it is not 1, make it 1. Then the question will start. Now in completing the square method is what? This LHS you have to convert into a minus b whole square or a plus b whole square. Now my method is this. So what I will do after the coefficient of x square is 1. So no need to divide. First step. Second step, adding and subtracting b square. Adding and subtracting b square. This you have to remember. Now find the value of b. Now how will you find out b? That is minus 5x will be equated by minus 2ab. X term will be equated by x. So what you will do? Minus 5x equal to minus 2. A is always x and b is cancel. Minus cancel. So what you will get 5.3. You always try to do like this. Some will say that we cannot, but till now, if I have explained this question, maximum student they have done this question correct. So now you have to remember this. So what we are saying here, minus 5x equal to minus 2. Why I am telling? In my method, the x coefficient of x square is always 1. That's why the value of a will be x, always x. That's why I directly write a, I find out the value of b. Now, if after that, what you will say, x square minus 5x plus 6 plus 5 by 2 whole square minus 5 by 2 whole square equal to 0. That is x square. Now here we have, this will be the condition after this adding and subtracting. So what you will say, x square is what? X whole square. This is the term minus 2 into x into b, that is 5 by 2. 5 by 2 plus b square, that is 5 by 2 whole square. Rest the terms will be going to RHS. Minus 5 by 2 will come this side and it becomes 5 by 2 whole square. Plus 6 will come this side, it becomes minus 6. Now, this is a square minus 2ab plus b square. And this is what? A minus b whole square. So, x minus 5 by 2 whole square equal to 25 by 4 minus 6. Now, x minus 5 by 2, 5 by 2 whole square equal to 4 LCM, 25 minus 24. X minus 5 by 2, that is, this is after that. So, what you will get? X minus 5 by 2 whole square equal to 1 by 24. So, this is now x minus 5 by 2 whole square equal to 1 by 4. X minus 5 by 2 equal to plus minus under root 1 by 4. X minus 5 by 2 equal to plus minus 1 by 2. After this, x minus 5 by 2 equal to 1 by 2. X minus 5 by 2 equal to minus 1 by 2. X equal to 1 by 2 plus 5 by 2. So x is 3. And x minus 1 by 2 plus 5 by 2. X 2. So after this you will say roots are 3 and 2. Roots are 3 and 2. This is the method to solve quadratic equation by completing the square method. One more example I will tell you. After that, after this, now again solve 2x square minus 5x plus 3 equal to 0. By completing the square method. Now this method solution 2x square minus 5x plus 3 equal to 0. Here coefficient of x square is not 1. Make it 1. Make it 1 by dividing 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 each term each term by 2. Here coefficient of x square is not 1. Make it 1 by dividing each term by 2. So 2x square upon 2 minus 5 by 2x plus 3 by 2 equal to 0. So this cancel x square minus 5 by 2x plus 3 by 2 equal to 0. After that, adding and subtracting b square, adding and subtracting b square. So b, what you will do, you will have to find out 2 minus 5 by 2x equal to minus 2 minus 5 by 2x equal to minus 2 into x x cancel minus cancel 5 by 4 equal to p. X square minus 5 by 2 x plus 3 by 2 plus 5 by 4 plus whole square minus 5 by 4 whole square equal to 0. Now x whole square minus 2 into x into 5 by 4 plus 5 by 4 whole square equal to, sorry, here minus 5 by 4 whole square equal to 0. Now minus, that is 5 by 4 whole square minus 3 by 2. This is x minus 5 by 4 whole square, and this is 25 by 16 minus 3 by 2. After this, x minus 5 by 4 whole square, that is 16, 25 minus 24. Now x minus 5 by 4 whole square equal to 1 upon 16. X minus 5 by 4 equal to plus minus x minus 5 by 4 equal to plus minus 1 by 4. After that, x minus 5 by 4 equal to 1 by 4. X minus 5 by 4 equal to minus 1 by 4. X 1 by 4 plus 5 by 4. X 4 and 7, 1 plus 5. X 6 by 4, that is x 3 by 2. Here x minus 1 by 4 plus 5 by 4. X 4 upon 4. That is minus 1 plus 5. X 4 upon 4. Look at here. X equal to 1. Roots are 3 by 2 and 11.